Hello viewers, welcome back to another brand new video in our channel TechVideos. In this video, we are sharing with you how to create professional text-to-speech voice. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never miss any videos. First, you need to write your script on the textbook or notebook. So I am opening Notepad++ for writing a simple script. In here, I am writing some simple text. In here you can see I am using some clone after some words because it's going to make better sound. This is so small script. Now I am to add more text. I have already copied some text, so paste in here. After write script, open an internet browser. I am opening Google Chrome web browser. After open web browser, search in here text to speech. In here you can find many results on the result page with text-to-speech related. I will recommend you this website from texttospeech.com. Click on this link. After open from texttospeech.com, click on the text box. In here copy paste your script. Click on the select language option and select British language. Click on the select voice option and select this one. Now click on the create audio file option. Click on the download link. Before download, listen to your script.
I am sharing with you how to create text-to-speech voice. Many people asked me, how do you create text-to-speech voice? I hope this video will help you. F rocks the ventilation. Sadly you can't.
Then finally click on the three-dot icon. Download. Select location, then click on the save option. After downloaded your script, go to google.com and search in here Audacity. Wrong type, Audacity. Click on this link, download Audacity from here. Audacity for Windows. I have already installed it, so I am opening Audacity software. After open Audacity, click on the file option and select open. Select script. Now click on the select option all. Click on the effect option, change pitch. Decrease some pitch like -7 point. Okay. Again click on the effect option, compressor. Okay. Again click on the effect option, reverb. In here you can change all reverb option, but I will use a default preset. So click on the manage option, preset, select vocal tone. Okay.
This video I am sharing with you how to create text-to-speech voice. Many people ask me, how do you create text-to-speech voice? I hope this video will help you. Air from the surroundings.
After added all effects and edit your voice, click on the file option, select export as MP3, select location, give a file name, save, okay. In here you can see our final script. So
This video I am sharing with you how to create text-to-speech voice.
I hope you enjoyed this
Many
simple
people
video.
ask
If you
me.
have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never miss any videos. Share this video with your friends who want to know how to make text-to-speech voice.